Master your supply chain in just 12 days. Still finding it tough to manage your supply chain effectively? Are delays, inefficiencies, and logistical issues impacting your business? Supply chain management doesn't have to be a constant struggle. Many companies face the same challenges, from disorganized inventory to unpredictable transport disruptions. That's why we're offering an intensive 12-day training that covers everything you need to optimize your operations. Learn best practices in supply chain management, logistics, and more. Join us in Doha from August 3rd to 14th, 2025 for an in-depth, hands-on learning experience. Perfect for supply chain managers, logistics professionals, and operations leads. Take control of your supply chain flow, improve efficiency, and reduce delays. Reserve your spot now at zoetalentSolutions.com. Your future in logistics starts here. What you'll master in 5 days. Wondering what you'll actually master in just 5 days of intensive training in supply chain management? Let's break it down. First, you'll learn how to optimize your supply chain operations, from streamlining procurement to managing inventory like a pro. We'll teach you the secrets to demand forecasting, efficient transport planning, and maintaining clear visibility throughout your supply chain. Plus, you'll dive deep into logistics management and understand how to minimize delays, reduce costs, and enhance efficiency every step of the way. Join us in Doha from August 3rd to 14th, 2025 for this 12-day intensive training and become the expert your business needs. Secure your spot now at zoetalentSolutions.com.